This video was produced by me, the Electron Man. And hey, if you get a chance, subscribe. It helps me out. And have a good day. Well, hello YouTubers, how's it going? This is Electron Man. Well, we got kind of a different one today I'm going to do a little video on. As you see, I have this big old box marked heavy. Well, my old office chair gave out on me, and I purchased a new chair off of Amazon, and I'm going to kind of do a build of it and a review of it and see how hard it is to put together and see what kind of quality chair it ends up being. Well, let me get the box open and we'll get this video started. Okay, let's get this sucker started. Okay. And one of the handles. One in blue wrap and one in clear wrap. I'm sure there must be some significance to that. Probably one is right hand, the other one's for left hand. Something got to step in with some. There's the parts bag. Okay. And I see marker bolts. Standard stuff. There's the book. Instruction. Gas cylinder shock. Looks like a pretty heavy duty one. Feels alright. And the rest is casters. How's the easiest way that's going to be? I think I'm going to... Here's the base. It's all composite. We'll see how that holds up. You don't know, I'm a pretty big guy, so hopefully. This is a big and tall, by the way, chair. Rated for 350 pounds and for big tall guys. So far, packing wise, it's packed really nice. Ooh, I like this material. It's like a soft leather. I'm sure it's a bonded leather, but it's nice. really soft. I'm going to get overwhelmed with stuff getting piled up here if I'm not going. I need to figure out how I'm not doing this. Wow, that's a... definitely feels heavier, this does, than ones I've assembled in the past. It's a good sign. This definitely feels to be a bit heavier gauge still, the main chair support. And there's the back. Assuming on the base. Okay. Well, I've now managed to get it unpacked and piled up everywhere. How am I going to go about assembling this? I think I'll put it all. Let me put all the scrap back in the box. I think I'll flip the box up and use it as my pedestal. Hold on just a second. Okay, I briefly reviewed the instructions. So get this camera position a little bit better there. I'm using the box, by the way, as a table since it's here anyway, and kind of handy. But anyway, I kind of briefly went through them, and looks like you start with the pedestal and work up. So we'll take that. We'll snap the casters in first. So you got 5 casters here, and I'm sure these just nappy on. Just like that. Okay, now we have the casters in. Let's see. Next thing you want to do is... whoa, sorry. The camera here. Hook the shock up. It says leave the little cover on it, so shock drops in like that. Here's a little slide base. Boom. Yeah, that looks like they about gets the legs together. Okay. Do a quick reference. Looks like the seat's the next thing we want to work on. So, I think actually we're kind of done with this for now. Take this side and set it down. And we get our seat here. Marked front here. And the little heavy base I talked about, it goes right here. And it's marked front too. So far they're making this pretty simple. Yeah, looks like we got 4 bolts that go in there. I'm assuming 2 long and 2 short. Let me get the bolts over here. Yeah, with your C's. Which sure exactly how that cover's supposed to go on there. Oh, let's see. Wow, it's going to have its own set of bolts just for that cover. Wow. Okay, well, this is what it is. Okay, so you got too long or too short here. Two of the C and, well, let me refer back. Bolts A and the rear bolts. Two big bolts C. So there's only two of those, so obviously those are going to be two big back ones. By the way, if you haven't done with all the Allen wrench, which is awesome, and it comes with a little Allen wrench, but we ain't gonna use that Allen wrench. Not electron way. Not the electron, man. We're gonna go with a ball socket and a ratchet. It will make life a whole lot easier. Let's see what size that is. This is gonna be a 5 Allen metric. FYI, but I can get this style here, which these are Harbor Freight, by the way. Some of their Pittsburgh tools, really nice little set. They're like $8 or $9 a piece. I guess I could do a review on those, but man, these suckers come in heavy. Much better than beating your own hands up with a little cheap Allen wrench. Now I had the two bolts. What did I do with them? Well, I'm telling you, the head wasn't screwed on, it'd be to fall off. What did I do with them? Set them on top of this chair so they'd be getting lost. But anyway, we're regressing here. Okay, the two long ones, they go up front here. And according to instructions, don't tighten until you got all four in there. Okay, so you got the two front ones in, screwed in there, and then it said 2 A's for the back side of it. So we'll go with 2 A's here. As you can see, I'm just dropping the bolts in, boom, boom. Imagine you're using an Allen wrench on this? Jeez. Okay. Base is mounted. That's 4 bolts. Okay, go back to instructions. Four A bolts to put the cover on. Wow. Okay. 4 more of the small A bolts to put this cover on. Yeah, probably a good idea to keeps hands from getting in areas where they could get really pinched badly. So I get the idea. Just seems kind of overkill for these big old boats for a little plastic cover. But hey, what I know. Definitely get them all hand started. We don't want to cross thread or anything. There we go. Get these 4 tightened down. And then we'll move to the next section, which will be, I'm sure, putting the handles on. But let me go get these tightened and I'll be right back. Okay, now I got the 4 bolts off for the plastic covers. Now it's time to do the 2 arms. And let's see here. This is kind of a no-brainer here. Okay, like that. And it says 2 medium bolts. There's actually medium, long, and short. And it's 2 mediums for this. So I put a medium bolt here. And it's real specific about making sure not to tighten them until you got it assembled. So I'll just get it started here. Okay, I got to get it started. And then you get the other one started here. I'm not going to tighten them, I'm just going to get them started. Okay, one side. Turn it this way. Let's see. Get the other side on. Whoa! Like I said, I'm not tightening these, I'm just kind of drawing them in. Okay, that gives me my 2 handles. So now as you can see I've left these handles loose. Okay, the next thing that goes on is the back. Which, hopefully this isn't going to be too awkward. And it goes. Like that. And let's see how hard this is. Get you started there. Alright, I got her started. Second. Wish I had to drop it. Again, I'm not going to completely tighten it. Ah, dang it. Twice I dropped it. Set this one on its side. Last one in here. Figure this is probably the hardest one to get. Yeah, that's a bit upward. Okay, how am I going to do this? This is fighting me. Just because it's so awkward now. Fitting it on the base. Well, I'll be back in a sec. Okay. Sorry I got to messing with it and didn't record it, but I found if I flipped it upside down, it kind of had to rest a little bit to get this last one in, but we got her, no problem. And then apparently all he got is these last two back ones. Okay, I'm getting it. Got it in there. Now that last one's gonna be a booger. Kind of have to push up on it. No. Two more to go, and then we'll just put the pedestal on. Okay, one chair put together. Okay, now that I got all the chair put together, the last four bolts along the back here, the last piece I got to do is to set this pedestal on top of this, which looks like it just drops down in this hole right here. Just like so. Yeah, that extends it out. Yep. There we go. Now all we gotta do is flip her over. And voila! We have one assembled chair. Get this big old box out of the way. Whoa, camera. Kind of give a final view of it. Right. Nice wide chair. Has a lumbar support on it. A little dusty here. And I'll roll it in my office and sit on it and give you a final review of how she sits. Thank you for watching. Electron Man, well, we're done putting my chair together here. Roll it out here a little bit. As you can see, I'm a big guy. But initial response to it, wow, this sucker is comfortable. Seems solid. I like the height of the arm rails. Feels really good. It's super padded. Super slick, by the way. About slid out the first time I sat down in it. It's got a nice little rock back. You can rock back in it, lean, and relax. I think I could go to sleep with this sucker. It feels really good. I like the lapel. It really makes a difference. Makes me kind of set up straighter. Definitely like that adjustment for the back. But I would say my initial review of this is a pretty awesome chair. It feels good. Feels solid. Like I said, I'm a big guy. I'm rocking around and it seems to be really solid. Only time will tell. Maybe come back in about a year and see how she's holding up. But so far, for around $200, this big, tall Amazon executive chair is not bad. I've seen comparable ones in the furniture stores for $400 and $500. So you did it again, Amazon. Thanks. This is the Electron Man.